Here are some ingenious tools that are on another level. Number 1. Minova Foam Cutter Machine. Minova is a company that manufactures a variety of hot wire foam cutters, also known as hot knife foam cutters or styrofoam cutters. These tools are used to cut and shape foam, such as polystyrene, styrofoam, and other similar materials. Minova offers a variety of models, including cordless and corded options, with different features and capabilities. The adjustable temperature control allows you to control the heat of the cutting wire. The different blade shapes can be used to create different types of cuts, such as straight cuts, curves, and bevels. The guide rulers and jigs can help you to make precise cuts, and the dust collection systems can help to keep your work area clean and free of debris. Minova foam cutters are a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications, such as model making for architecture, engineering, and other purposes, crafting costumes, decorations and jewelry, packaging for products, and insulation for homes and buildings. Number 2. Drum gripper with equalizer. A drum gripper with equalizer is a specialized lifting tool designed to safely and efficiently handle and transport drums. It typically consists of a gripping mechanism that attaches to the drum sides and a lifting mechanism that raises and lowers the drum. The equalizer is a key feature that helps to maintain the drum's level even as its weight changes, which is especially important when transferring contents from one drum to another. By eliminating the need for manual lifting, drum grippers help to reduce the risk of injuries to workers. They can significantly speed up the process of lifting and transporting drums, which can lead to increased productivity. The equalizer helps to prevent the drum from tipping or tilting, which can help to reduce the risk of product damage and allows for more precise control over the drum's movement, which is essential for tasks such as pouring liquids or transferring materials. Drum grippers with equalizers are commonly used in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, chemical processing, food and beverage production, pharmaceuticals, warehousing, and distribution. Number 3. The General KNE Kicker. The General KNE Kicker is a professional carpet installation tool made by Roberts Consolidated, a leading manufacturer of flooring tools and equipment. It is designed to help carpet installers stretch and secure carpet during the installation process. The General KNE Kicker features an extra-wide 5-inch head with 4 nap grip strips and 5 rows of steel pins to help grip the carpet and prevent it from slipping. The bumper features gel core technology to absorb shock and protect the installer's knee from impact. The handle telescopes from 17.5 inches to 21.5 inches to accommodate installers of different heights. The checkered, non-slip grip of the handle helps to ensure stability and control. The die-cast aluminum body is lightweight and durable for long-lasting use. The General KNE Kicker is a popular choice for professional carpet installers because of its durability, ease of use, and features that help to protect the installer's knees. Number 4. Milenco Aluminum Leveling Fitting. The Milenco aluminum leveler is a caravan leveling device that is made of lightweight, rust-proof aluminum. It is easy to use and can be quickly deployed to level your caravan or motorhome. The leveler is simply slid under the wheel of your caravan or motorhome and then used with the supplied ratchet handle to raise or lower the wheel to the required height. It can lift up to 1,000 kilograms per wheel and comes with a storage bag for easy transportation and storage. In order to use it, first park your caravan or motorhome on a level surface as much as possible. Then choose a wheel that is easily accessible and slide the leveler under the wheel. Use the ratchet handle to raise or lower the wheel until your caravan or motorhome is level, and once the caravan or motorhome is level, chuck the wheels to prevent it from moving. Number 5. ArmRestor, the art decor of vehicle accessories. ArmRestor is an armrest designed to be both stylish and comfortable. It is a new approach to the traditional armrest, and it is designed to improve your driving experience. Armrest is made of high-quality materials, and it is available in a variety of colors and styles to match your car's interior. It is also easy to install and remove, so you can take it with you when you travel. According to the Kickstarter campaign by Nova Creations, ArmRestor is not only comfortable but also aims to improve your posture while driving, reducing strain on your back and shoulders. Whether you're looking for a way to add a touch of style to your car or simply want to improve your driving comfort, ArmRestor is a great option. The Bullet End 2.0. The Bullet End 2.0 is not a real ant, but rather a multi-tool pen designed and produced by Me Tool. It is named after the bullet ant, a stinging ant known for its exceptionally painful sting, which is said to be one of the most painful insect stings in the world. The Bullet End 2.0 is made from grade 5 titanium and features a bolt-action mechanism that deploys the pen tip or the various tool bits. The pen features a built-in bit driver that can be used with a variety of different sized bits, as well as a tungsten steel glass breaker and a bottle opener. It is also waterproof and comes with a lifetime warranty. The Bullet End 2.0 was first launched on Kickstarter in 2019 and has since become a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday carry enthusiasts alike. Number 7. Forcible Entry Tool T1. The HOLMATRO T1 is a forcible entry tool designed for use by law enforcement, firefighters, and other first responders. It is a versatile tool that can be used to breach doors, cut locks, lift objects, and more. The T1 is a one-person operation tool, weighing in at 17 pounds. It has a detachable wedge that can be used to create a gap in a door, and then spreading tips that can be used to hydraulically breach the door. It can also be used to cut up to 80 centimeters of round stock, such as rebar, chain, and padlocks. It has a maximum spreading force of 32.85 kilonewtons, which is enough to lift heavy objects such as concrete slabs. The T1 is a valuable tool for first responders who need to gain entry to a building or vehicle in a hurry. It is also a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of other tasks. However, it is important to note that the T1 is a dangerous tool and should only be used by trained professionals. Number 8. New HOLMATRO Stack Bag Series. The new HOLMATRO Stack Bag Series is a line of high-pressure lifting bags that are designed for safe and stable lifting in confined spaces. The bags have a flat surface when inflated, which allows them to be easily stacked on top of each other for increased lifting height. They are designed to be easy to use even in difficult conditions. Stacked bags have a smaller footprint than conventional bags, making them ideal for use in confined spaces, and their greater contact surface provides increased stability during lifting operations. The HOLMATRO Stack Bag series is available in a variety of sizes to meet the needs of different applications. And number 9. Hydraulic Post Puller 4T. A hydraulic post puller 4T is a tool used to remove fence posts, signposts, and other embedded objects from the ground. It uses a hydraulic ram to exert a pulling force on the post, which can be up to 4 tons for a 4T model. By eliminating the need for digging, a hydraulic post puller can remove posts in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually. Digging and prying can be dangerous activities, and a hydraulic post puller can help to reduce the risk of injury by eliminating the need for these tasks. It can also help to minimize damage to the surrounding area, such as landscaping or underground utilities.